Alright, so my final thoughts today after trying to fly this thing over and over, the Ranger 400 volantex RC, was that the best way to get this to work was to throw the battery all the way back there and not put it there. So push it behind the servos, and also unfortunately this thing broke off here again, so I'll have to re-glue that and take it apart. But I had to do a lot of trimming on the remote because it kept wanting to fly downwards no matter what I did. And I think maybe this is, I was correct the first time when I said this. The position of this thing wants it to push down. So by pushing the battery back and putting the weight further back, it helps with that. And then you do a lot of trim on the back, and eventually it does fly okay. Not fantastic, and most people probably stomp on it before it gets run. So this is not really a plane for everybody unless you want to really fiddle. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.